Alright, mula sa Wiyon mga kapatid, totoo kaya itong balitang ito mga tol, no? Kasi ito binigyan na rin natin to ng reaction video nitong nakaraan, no? Pero ito yung isang misteryo pa rin kasi maraming nangyayari ngayon sa sa China mga tol. No, maraming nangyayari ngayon sa China pero tahimik lang pero parang inaalis na paunti-unti si Xi Jinping sa pwesto. No, yun ang speculation o kumakalat-kalat ngayon na rumors, mga tol. Ayan, no, sabi rito, is China's President Xi Jinping losing grip on power? Is he on his way out? Ano, or is a silent coup d'etat, mga tol, in the works against him? Kasi ito meron diyang isang museleyong malaki kung saan nakalibing yung tatay ni Xi Jinping. Ngayon, inalis na daw dun yung pangalan. Sabing ganon mga kapatid. Tapos yung mga tapat na mga tauhan, mga loyal kay Xi Jinping, lahat pinalitan. Pinalitan ng mga hindi loyal sa bagong sa presidente ngayon, which is Xi Jinping. So ngayon, ito ba'y nangangahulugan na unti-unti nang nagpapalit ng lideratura dito sa China? Yan ang ating aalamin mga kapatid. No? Panoorin natin itong balita mula rito sa Wiyon. Bigyan natin to ng reaction, commentary, opinion, criticism at kung ano-ano pa. Pero bago yan, syempre huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka whenever na may mga bago tayong reaction video tulad nito. Alright, so huwag na natin patagalin pa. Panoorin na natin to mga tol.
Shifting focus for now. Is China's President Xi Jinping losing grip on power? Is he on his way out?
Diba? Yun nga yung usap-usapan no? Nawawalan na ba si Xi Jinping ng kontrol o ng kapangyarihan? Unti-unti na ba siyang pinapatalsik sa pwesto ng CCP? Unti-unti na ba siyang pinapalitan mga kapatid, no? Bakit nasasabi yan? Bakit kumakalat yung mga balitang yan? Tuloy natin.
Or is a silent coup in works against him?
She disappeared from public view during late May and early June.
According to various reports, Xi Jinping was
Pero July na matagal na, no?
mysteriously absent from public view between late May and early June this year.
No explanation giving for Xi's 2-week disappearance. No, siguro nagkaroon na ng problema yung 2 linggong yun.
And the absence created quite a flutter in Beijing and beyond. His 2-week absence has reportedly sparked questions about possible changes at the highest levels of the Chinese Communist Party. Reports suggesting that several retired senior party leaders, including former President Hu Jintao, are increasingly playing a major part in the behind-the-scenes role. Hu Jintao, remember, was previously escorted out of the 20th Party Congress in the year 2022.
Ito yung may uban. Ayan yung binitbit palabas
A move widely seen as a show of Xi Jinping's dominance. Hu Jintao's apparent return to influence, hence, may signal a shift. Even Zhang Yuxia, once considered a close ally of Xi Jinping, is now set to be the de facto leader of the PLA. Zhang reportedly had a significant falling out with Xi Jinping after helping him secure a record third term, and Zhang is reportedly believed to have the backing of party elders aligned with former President Hu Jintao. That's not all. Reports suggest that Xi Jinping may also be losing support within the PLA. Several top generals perceived as loyal to Xi Jinping have either been purged or have died under mysterious circumstances.
Bigla na lang nawala, no? Nawala na lang bigla o kaya namatay daw nang hindi alam kung anong dahilan.
And their replacements are reportedly not seen as loyal to the current president.
Tapos yung mga pumalit doon sa mga nawala, hindi tapat o hindi loyal ngayon kay Xi Jinping.
So there's clearly a lot happening. Another development raising eyebrows is the quiet removal of Xi's father's name from a mausoleum the Chinese president had helped build. And this was no ordinary mausoleum in terms of size. The monument reportedly was even bigger than those honoring former supreme leaders.
Di ba? Pati yung pangalan ng tatay ni Xi Jinping inalis doon sa mausoleum na yun. Yung mausoleum na yun, mga kapatid, tumulong din daw si Xi Jinping para mabuo yun. Pero yung mismong pangalan ng tatay niya ay inalis. Recent unnaming of Xi's father mausoleum raised eyebrows o nagpataas ng mga kilay. Kasi mga katanungan yan na mapapaisip ka rin. Oo nga, no? Bakit ganun ang nangyayari?
Mao Zedong and Deng Xiaoping. In fact, in Xi Jinping's absence in late May and early June, foreign leaders visiting Beijing were reportedly received by other CCP leaders and not by the president himself.
Iba ang sumalubong.
During this time, the People's Daily, the official newspaper of the CCP, reportedly stopped publishing images of the Chinese president on its front pages.
So hindi na rin ipinapakita yung mukha ni Xi Jinping do sa mga front pages ng mga newspaper nila. No? Ano kaya sa tingin niyo? Baka meron lang siyang hinaharap na parusa o kaya may pinarusahan lang siguro siya ng 2 linggo o kaya meron siyang hinarap ng mga problema o baka merong merong sorpresa na magaganap, di natin alam.
During this time, the People's Daily, the official newspaper of the CCP, reportedly stopped publishing images of the Chinese president on its front pages, breaking with the usual practice of praising Xi Jinping almost on a daily basis. Security changes around Xi Jinping have also been reported.
Diba? Ang daming nagbago. Araw-araw daw dati, halos araw-araw pinupuri si Xi Jinping sa front page nung daily newspaper na yon, dun sa front page na yon. Ngayon pati security ni Xi Jinping nagbago na rin mga tol. Ang daming nagbago kaya talaga mapapaisip yung mga tao Ano kayang nangyari dun sa 2 linggong absent ni Xi Jinping? Siya ba'y papalitan? Pero eto kasi late May saka early June. Pero ngayon kasi early July na. So ano na nangyari? Diba? Etong balitang to, 4 na araw pa lang ang nakakaraan. Pero meron tayo mas latest news na napanood niyan, yung kahapon, mga tol. Yung nung nawala nga daw si Xi Jinping ng 2 linggo.
His personal protection detail has reportedly been significantly reduced, fueling more speculation about his political future. Xi Jinping is also set to miss the upcoming BRICS summit in Brazil,
Binawasan pati security niya, no?
which is taking place on July 6 and 7, marking the first time Xi Jinping would be missing any BRICS summit.
So etong July 6 and 7, which is today yan sa Philippine time, pero ewan ko kung saan gaganapin yun, kung anong date doon, hindi makakadalo si Xi Jinping doon sa BRICS summit na yun, July 6 and 7. Yun daw yung first time na hindi siya makakadalo. So ano kaya mga dahilan, no? Siya nga ba'y papalitan na o siya ba'y inaalis na sa pwesto unti-unti?
According to some reports, a leadership transition is already being considered in China. Zhang Yuxia and senior CCP leaders are believed to be backing Wang Yang to potentially take over as the next CCP chairman. Wang, a veteran politician once mentored by former Supreme Leader Deng Xiaoping, was forced into retirement in the year 2023.
So eto yung papalit, no? Mag-usap-usapan na eto yung papalit.
But reportedly remains highly respected within party ranks. The upcoming CCP plenary session in August is expected to bring more clarity on the entire matter, even as there is growing speculation that Xi Jinping could be pushed into retirement or reassigned to a largely ceremonial role on the basis of ill health and amid increasing internal party pressure.
Oh. Ano kaya, no? Ano kaya sa tingin ninyo, mga tol? Sa tingin nyo ba, siya kasi mga kapatid, sobrang tagal na ni Xi Jinping bilang presidente sa China. Chinese Communist Party chairman, mga tol. Sobrang tagal na. Ngayon, ang daming nagbago. Di ba? Inalis yung pangalan ng tatay niya doon sa Mausoleo. Binawasan yung security niya, nag-reduce, di ba? Hindi siya na ngayon makaka-attend ng BRICS Summit, ngayon July 6 and 7. Ang dami pa nagbago, 2 linggo siya nawala, tapos pinalitan yung mga tapat sa kanya, mga loyal sa kanya, pinalitan ang mga pumalit, hindi naman mga loyal sa kanya, di ba? Tapos ngayon nababali-balita yung magkakaroon ng transition sa kapangyarihan. No, kung sakasakali man, magbabago kaya ang takbo, ang relasyon ng China at ng Pilipinas? Ito ba'y magiging mas maayos o sa tingin nyo mas worse? No, ano sa tingin ninyo, mga tol? No, well, ito lahat ay speculation pa lang, ito lahat ay pinapanood lamang natin at tayo ay nagbibigay lamang din ng reaksyon batay sa ating nakikita at napapanood at naririnig. No, wala akong kinukumpirma, wala akong pinatototohanan, tayo ay nagtatanong lang din kung ito ba'y may katotohanan o wala. No, ano sa tingin ninyo? Comment kayo sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.